Hey everybody, so today I would like to share with you how to propagate your philodendron plant. So here, this is my philodendron jungle boogie, and today I would like to cut them. I just want to take the top cutting and just put it into a new container. So firstly, I'll remove the cocoa husk. But before you can propagate them in, you should know where's the place we can the suitable place that we can cut them. So here you should find the area root first. So I'm gonna show you the area root. Okay, so wait, let's see the area root. Okay, so wait, that's the area root. Okay, so when you detect the location of the area root, you should sterile your tools. I just use a hand sanitizer low because it also contains alcohol and it's safe, because it do contains aloe vera, which is suitable for the cutting. It can be used for natural rooting hormone too. So I will cut below the area roots. Okay, carefully, please do this carefully and properly. So we don't want to hurt the area root, so please do it very carefully. Okay, so now we get our cutting, the top cutting. Look at the two active roots there. We have the white roots and it's long. So now prepare a new container that we're going to use to root them. So at the bottom of the container, I just put the coconut chips, not coconut husk. I just put 1, 2, 3, 4, and about five coconut husk, and then we prepare for the potting mix. This time, the potting mix that I use is the rice husk, and I mix with the cocoa peats and a bit of organic black soil. But before that, we should to use a synthetic rooting hormone too. Just dipped our cutting into the rooting hormone, and you are ready to grow them into a new container, and put the potting mix, the medium, into the container, about 1/2 half of the container, and you can put your top cutting into that container, and just top part and add a bit of the potting mix. So you should fix the position of the plant, make sure it's straight so that it can be easily, the roots can easily grow into in the new pot, and they become stable fast and quickly. Just put a lot of the medium, give a little press onto the potting mix, and you are done. Now it's the time for us to water all philodendrons cutting. Okay, let me show it to you. Okay, don't forget to take all the medium, the balance of the medium, and put into the container. Just put all until no waste left. Now we can water them. Just water a bit. Make sure the plant is wet enough, but please don't overwater them because it will cause root rot. So we don't want to make the area root damage. So just water a bit. Make sure it's damp, and you must keep the moisture. Put in bright and shapeless. About 2 weeks after that, you can see a new root growth. Okay, I think that's all for this time video. If you have any questions, kindly comment below. Thank you so much for watching.